Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Wednesday, October 23rd. Seeing some very pleasant conditions out there under mostly sunny skies as high pressure builds in. We did see a little bit of rain yesterday, not quite as much as we were expecting, as that front really fizzled out as it crossed the bay and got closer here to the Delmarva. But over the next couple of days, we are going to be seeing high pressure in control, which should give us some very seasonable, dry conditions under mostly sunny skies through at least the end of the work week. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the region, there's that front that gave us a little bit of some spotty shower activity yesterday, well to the east of the area now. Behind that front, you can see this very broad area of high pressure dominating pretty much the entire southeastern quarter of the country this morning. That's going to continue to expand eastward as we go throughout the next couple of days, and it's going to be settling pretty much right over the mid-Atlantic as we go into tonight and tomorrow and into Friday as well. Should be giving us some very clear conditions and calm winds for our subtech launch tomorrow night. Take a look at our satellite this morning, seeing just mostly sunny skies, a little bit of just upper level cirrus moving through. You can kind of see here on the satellite as it's moving from southwest to northeast over the southern portion of the Delmarva and then fizzling out. So we are going to be expecting mostly sunny skies to continue throughout the day today and maybe even throughout the day tomorrow as well. Taking a brief look at our upper level winds, we are seeing some northwesterly winds at the surface up through about 3,000 feet. They are running around 30 knots between the 1,000 to 3,000 foot level. Then we do have a pretty strong jet above us that's giving us some southwesterly winds from 6,000 feet on upward, and those are increasing from around 20 knots to 6,000 feet steadily up to 85 knots to 20,000 feet, and then maxing out near 110 knots at the 25,000 foot level. Seeing our freezing level a little lower this morning than it has been the past few mornings at around 12,000 feet. Taking a look at our forecast for today, going to be seeing seasonable dry conditions under those beautiful blue skies. Seeing a high of 68 degrees this afternoon. Winds are going to continue to be northwesterly around 9 to 14 knots with some slightly higher gusts. Not expecting a wind advisory today. And then as we get towards sunset, those winds are going to quickly die off, becoming 3 to 7 knots around sunset, and then light and variable or calm at times throughout the much of the overnight hours. And combined with clear skies, that's going to give us some good irradiational cooling, helping to drop those temperatures down into the mid, perhaps even low of 40s for tonight. So it is going to be chilly when we wake up tomorrow morning. And then by mid-morning tomorrow, seeing those winds becoming northeasterly at around 3 to 6 knots with that low near 45 degrees and likely colder across more interior portions of the Delmarva. Currently seeing just a few clouds at 25,000 feet. That should be quick to dissipate. And then seeing clear skies at times today, maybe a few clouds near 4,000 feet popping up this afternoon, but that should be very sparse. Then seeing clear skies tonight and perhaps just a few clouds near 3,000 feet as we go into the mid-morning hours of tomorrow. Still seeing those tides just slightly above normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast this morning. Taking a quick look at our long-term weather model here. This is this morning, and as you can see, it looks like the surface analysis that we presented earlier with that high pressure building in. That high pressure is going to continue to build in towards the mid-Atlantic as we go throughout today and into tonight, and then pretty much parking over the area tomorrow and into tomorrow evening. So we're going to have that high pressure in control, giving us some very light winds and clear skies for our subtech launch tomorrow. Also should help to calm those seas down as well as we go into tomorrow night. And then as we continue into Friday, still going to be seeing that high pressure in control, and it will begin to weaken a bit and helping to give us a little bit of a southerly flow, and that will help to give us an uptick in cloudiness for Friday. Still going to be remaining dry, though, and seasonable. Just seeing a little more moisture working its way into the area for Friday. Saturday, we are going to have some high pressure moving across the northeastern part of the country. That's going to give us some northerly winds, so should be seeing a little bit of cooler temperatures with cloud combined with the cloud cover and that more northerly flow to that high pressure north of the area on Saturday. Temperatures I think are going to struggle to get into the mid 60s on Saturday for the Delmarva. And then on Sunday, it does look like we're going to get this low pressure starting to move from the southwest, and that's going to be impacting the mid-Atlantic region sometime on Sunday. Looks like most likely it'll be Sunday afternoon to evening, giving us some periods of rain. Can't rule out some thunderstorm activity as well. So we do have that our Antares MDR scheduled for Sunday, so that will be something to keep in mind as we does look likely we'll see some rain Sunday. And then the forecast gets a little fuzzy at the beginning of next week, but it does look like we are going to start to see things dry out as we go into Monday, into Tuesday, depending on how quickly this front moves out of the area and we get some high pressure building in behind it. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast, going to be sunny and seasonable the next 2 days, highs in the upper 60s, and going to be chilly tomorrow morning, that low down into the mid to low 40s. Friday is going to be Thursday night's going to be clear as well, so also going to be expecting those temperatures into the mid to upper 40s. Then Friday looking seasonable and dry, but just expecting a slight uptick in cloudiness as we get a little more moisture working in its way into the area as that high pressure weakens just east of the region. As we go into Saturday, we are going to be seeing that system start to approach from the Gulf, bringing up a little bit more moisture across the region. Still going to be dry. We're also going to be having that high pressure moving north of the area, and that's going to help to give us some mostly cloudy skies when that's combined with that moisture coming in, also helping to drop those temperatures down a couple degrees, down to the mid-60s for our Saturday. And then Sunday, we're going to be seeing the chance of rain return to the area with some scattered showers and storms. Also going to be a little bit warmer, so that should help to give us some instability, possibly for some thunderstorm chances as we go into Sunday. And Monday does look like there's still a chance that system will be lingering across the area for some scattered showers early Monday. But then as we go into Tuesday, it looks like we'll get some high pressure starting to build back into the area, giving us some seasonable conditions in the upper 60s once again. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.